Hey folks, welcome to Hoory AI's How-To series. In this episode, I will show you how to create a WhatsApp-based channel. To create a WhatsApp-based channel, first you need to have a Facebook developer account and Facebook business account set up in advance. First, go to your Facebook developer account, select WhatsApp from the menu and click API Setup. The next step is adding a phone number. To add a phone number, scroll down and click Add a Phone Number button. Once added, the phone number will appear in the drop-down menu for sending and receiving messages. Click to select that phone number. Next, go to your Facebook developer account, click Settings and then select System User. Here, click the Add button to add a new system user. Enter the system user's name and set the role to Employee. Now, click Generate New Token. Select your app from the menu. Set the token's expiration date to never. From the available permissions, select Business Management, WhatsApp Business Messaging, and WhatsApp Business Management. Finally, click Generate Token. This will be required as the API key for setting up the inbox in Hoory AI. Now let's create a WhatsApp-based channel in your Hoory AI account. Log in into your Hoory AI account. Navigate to Settings, Inboxes, and click Add Inbox button. Select WhatsApp from the list of available channels. Start filling in the fields. First, name your channel, then copy and paste the phone number, its ID, business account ID, and API key from your Facebook developer account into the respective fields. Click the Create WhatsApp Channel button. Then proceed to select agents from the inbox. In the next step, you will get a webhook URL and a webhook verification token. Finally, navigate to your Facebook developer account, select Configuration and click the Edit button. Here, enter the webhook URL and webhook verification token in the respective fields. Then click Verify and Save. Now go to your Hoory AI account and click Take Me There. You can now send and receive WhatsApp messages through your Hoory AI account. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tutorials.